Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this little toothbrush, electric toothbrush. It's the Daily D2 on the Bitvae. And yeah, let's dive right into this package and check out how it's made, how it feels and all that, and unwrap this really quick so we actually get an idea what is happening here. So first off, let's see how we're gonna open up this box up here and then get that out of the way so we can actually get to the juicy stuff. There's like two boxes in here, it's interesting. So one might be probably a toothbrush, I don't know what the other one might be. So, let's see. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a toothbrush. It's pink, it's really nice color scheme, I gotta say that. Bunch of different modes, it's pretty straightforward. And then also some head pieces, they match quite well. You'll see that in a sec. Let's rip this up. Here we go. So we got this white top piece with pink brush. So that's kind of cool and neat. If you're gonna ask me, I'm digging it for sure. And feels decent, good quality here. And as I said, we got white, clean, soft polish, different modes, all these of them. Easy to access, just push the power button and go and circle through them. Pretty straightforward, to be fair. And yeah, that's kinda what this is all about, and I guess you do have to choose which one works for you, but I mean, it makes sense. Got a little LCD light showing us what's going on, but now I'm curious to see what's in here. Probably the charger, but that would be interesting because it would be like super long. Oh no, replacement brushes. A bunch of them. Nice. Anything else? Oh, there's. Oh, okay, got it. We got the charging pad. Okay, well, you get the idea here. So I will leave you for now and wishing you a great day. My name is Badger. I'm out for today's video. Take care, you guys, and have a good one.